Good morning. Good morning. Happy Thursday. How's it going, friends? I haven't spoken to you in a while on live, but I've been very busy creating a new course, and we are doing a live event with Daily Om today. Hello there, Swaroop. We're going to do the Science of Cortisol Face as a live event with Daily Om. There's a link in my profile. So you might say to yourself, what is cortisol face? I've heard about cortisol, but how does it affect the face? Well, I'll tell you. As you would imagine, oh, thank you. I've been doing a lot of face yoga and I don't have makeup on. Well, that's kind of not true. I do have some liquid liner and a little lipstick, but like no face makeup or anything like that. Just been meditating and doing a lot of face yoga. But cortisol is a stress hormone and it affects tone of the skin. It can break down collagen. It can make your skin look saggy, bloated, wrinkled, dull. And around the lower face especially, it can create what's called a moon face. Like it makes things saggy, you lose definition. So when we actually antidote cortisol production, which we do through engaging the sympathetic nervous system, we go from fight or flight to rest and digest. So the stress, all the stress breaks everything down. And flipping that over into the rest and digest mode from sympathetic to parasympathetic, your heart rate slows down, cortisol production slows down, and actually gets nullified. And then you're able to rebuild tissue. You're able to get more oxygen, and your skin gets brighter. I'm well. How are you, Ajan? Skin gets brighter, skin gets firmer, eyes get brighter, and we rejuvenate. So there's lots of fun practices in yoga that actually help to de-escalate cortisol production. And I'm going to show you some really easy ones. One is shrugging your shoulders, rolling your shoulders. And these are practices that we've been engaging in for centuries in yoga, but with the new science around the sympathetic nervous system, now we understand that these simple movements really help your nervous system to calm down. We're going to do some funny sounds. You're in the right place, friend. So shrugging your shoulders and then rolling your chin from shoulder to shoulder. These are de-escalating cortisol and rejuvenating the face. And they're so simple, right? And then fluttering your lips and making vibration sounds. Okay. Now what's good about that is also it's good for your lips and plumping your lips. So if you put some fingertip pressure in front of your lips, breathe in and go. And you can see that the buccinator muscles that are right here are engaging. Hello, Victor. Breathe in and go. And you can actually tone your cheeks here just by doing fingertip pressure. Right, raspberries. I call it giving stress the raspberry. Okay, and Ajan, you're gonna love this because we're gonna puff out our cheeks. And puff the air from cheek to cheek. And then blow through your lips as you widen your eyes. Okay, I've got one more for you. And then I will see you at the live workshop, hopefully today, which is at 2 p.m. EST. So if you go here, this is a major acupressure point. It's also cheek muscle area. So this is a 2-for-1. You're doing Chinese medicine and you're also doing face yoga. So go here and try to lift up at the same time. Bunny rabbit. Lift your mouth corners, lift your eyes. You can make this a little stronger by going like this. Push down with your fingers. I know, I'm doing this for you, Ajan. Push down with your fingers. Lift your mouth corners. and you'll feel the resistance here. Another variation on that is these muscles. Think about hugging them to the teeth with a smile. Okay, so those are little teasers for you. I hope you come to the workshop today. It's going to be great. They're recording it, and you can keep it for 48 hours, I believe. And everything that I know from all these years of teaching face yoga, teaching yoga, is kind of distilled into this class, into this workshop. And it's super fun. It involves breath, it involves yoga, it involves face yoga, humming. Let's just do one more. We'll do one more humming sound. This is for your vagal nerve. So the vagal nerve is a cranial nerve, right? It comes from the head, goes down through the middle of your body, all the way down to the tummy. And vagus nerve really is a huge axis for the nervous system. And when you tone it, you are calming down your nervous system. So we're going to do a nervous system breath that tones the vagus nerve. So we're going to breathe in on a 4 count through the nose. I'm going to count it with my fingers. Hold for 4. Breathe out 6 and hum. Again, inhale. Hold. Hum out 6. Let's do one more round, breathing in through the nose. 4. Holding 4. And out 6. And you can do that for 5 minutes, and you will have a whole nervous system switch over from stress to calm. So close your eyes and just feel how that feels. And let's do an affirmation. I let go and I glow. I let go and I glow. Hand over sternum, other hand over sternum, right in the Anahata chakra, your heart center. I let go, breathing in, and I glow. I let go, breathing in, and I glow. And it is safe and healthy and a beautiful thing to glow. That is your birthright as a being on the planet, right? So I love you guys. Namaste. And I will see you today at Reversing Cortisol Phase Workshop with Daily Om. Go to the link in my profile and you will find it. All right. I'll see you there. Have a great day. Nice to see you, Ajan.